Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this wrap top out of a cami. It took me less than 5 minutes to do, and all you need is a cami from Forever 21 and a pair of scissors. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm posting a video every single day of July until the 21st, which is my birthday, so make sure you put on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And if you want to see how I got this wrap top from a cami, then please just keep on watching. For this project, you're going to need a tank top. I got this one from Forever 21. It was like $1.90 or something, and scissors, and that's it. And you're gonna have to cut down the entire front center of the cami. And you're gonna do that, and then we're going to cut like a square out of the back, just like that, but do it right before the seam. And this is what it should look like after you cut it. And this is how the shirt turned out. It's super easy to do. It took me less than 5 minutes, and all you need is scissors and a cami from Forever 21, which is under $2. And it's super cute and summery, and this is what the back looks like. You should obviously wear a different bra with it, but I'm just showing you how to make this shirt. I'm not really wearing it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below. And I'm posting a video every single day of July until the 21st, which is my birthday. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!